she's gonna have to do a lot more of the work for her upper body, right? So ready? Here we go, ready? Back and forward. And you see how she's working more now?
You're like a fitness model,
Right?
Zoe.
And to the side. And to the side.
Oh yeah.
See that?
Yeah.
Ah. And then if we get super brave, we go to her thighs. Now you want to don't do this unless you feel like your baby has a good feel for it, right? And you can do it slowly so she starts to fall back. You just bring the ball closer. We go forward, let's try. We go back. We go forward. We go back. We go side. Look at that. Very impressive, huh? Yay, Zoe!